Hey everyone, welcome back to 15 Days Python Challenge. Today is day 3 and we are going to learn about data type in Python. What is a data type? A data type tells to the Python what kind of values we are storing in the variable. In Python, we have two categories. One is an individual type and collection type. Individual means we can store only one value in the data in the variable. Okay, we are representing that we go with the individual type. In individual, we have four types: int, float, complex, and boolean. Int we can store only the numbers. Float I can store decimal and numbers also. In the complex I can store decimals. I can store decimal and number and along with the imaginary values. And the boolean I can store true or false. In the collection type, we have a string, list, tuple and set and dictionary. So string I can store the collection of characters, list I can store the collection of elements, tuple I can store the collection of elements, set I can store the collection of keys, and dictionary I can store the collection of keys and values. Okay, so now we'll see the example. A equal to 45, here I can store only the number. B, it's a 45.56, it's a decimal, we can store the decimal. C equal to 45 plus 8G, it's a real and imaginary values. In the D, I can store the true. Okay, true or false, it's a boolean type. Next we'll go with the collection type is a string. In the double quote I'm mentioning the collection of character. H is a character, E, L, L, O is a character. I'm storing the all characters in one variable. It's a collection type. And L equal to list, I start with the square brackets. I can store n number of elements. In the tuple, it's a start with the normal brackets. Here I can store the number of values. In the set, it's a curly braces. Here we can store the keys, and it is not allows a duplicate value. You can see 10, 20, 10. It is, if you print, it is gives me the 10, 20 only. In the dictionary, I can dig equal to age and colon is a 50 and name is a Mahi. So we can store the data in the key and value pair. Then we go with the dictionary. And I'm printing the all values with one single print statement: A, B, C, D, and separated with a space. So what it does, this separate, it is gives me the space in between all the variables. And similarly print S, L, T, S, D separated with the colons. Okay, if we run, what happened? It's a D is a referent with a new value, it's a dictionary. So I'm just renaming with a D in the D1. So D1 and D1, if I print, then I'm getting the proper output. Okay, so if you want to learn more things, then just follow. Thank you guys.